Whoa, look, I'm recording outside. Why, hello there, this is Ember. I'm recording outside for a reason, because my parents are inside and I don't want them to hear me recording. Log date 11716. Crap, I just dropped my phone. There's dirt all over my phone. Log date 11716. Leslie still doesn't particularly... Oh my god, I grammar good today. You know, I just want to cue the happy music right now and dance to it and time lapse. So let's do this. See, you know, the problem is I don't have a tripod. That's my dog Friday. I swear, I just let her out and somehow she's back inside again. Friday, I want to let you out, okay? I'm coming. I'm coming to save you, Friday. Go away. Oh no. Come on, Friday. I'm going to save you. Come on, Friday! Friday, come here! Come here, Friday! Oh, good girl! Oh yeah, that's Banshee. She's... Come on, Banshee! Come on, Banshee! Good girl! Anyway, these are my two insane dogs. Oh god. Just look at how fluffy you are. Just look at how fluffy you are! Load faster! Ah, there's bird poop on the swing. Oh my god, no! Retry, please. Yay, it loaded. I got this game 3 days ago and I'm already almost level 7. There's a Pokestop right across the street. And let's see what Pokemon are nearby. There's like nothing nearby. Oh crap, it just started raining. Well, good news, I'm back inside. I can't record anymore, but I'm back inside and I'm safe from the rain. It's like pouring outside right now, so I guess no more recording tonight. Just look at how fluffy you are. Just look at how fluffy you are.